Now, with Ducati set to come into the sport next year, obviously being a new ride means new seats, and there have been a lot of people attached to that rumor mill, and the newest one being Dylan Ferrandis, who we haven't seen in a very, very long time. And in a recent post, he says, quote, "First week back on the bike, feeling fresh and healthy, did 5 weeks completely off enjoying some R&R, and then 4 weeks training off the bike, and here we are. Really needed that break after 9 seasons in the US trying to fight for every championship, looking for getting back to outdoors at Unadilla." Now, obviously, it's a rumor. Who knows if this is actually going to happen? At the moment, what is he racing for? Phoenix Honda, so he still got the rest of outdoors. And somebody in the comments below tell me if they know if he's even in for SMX. I couldn't tell you for sure. I don't know the math on that one, but who knows? Obviously, Cairoli has come over here and raced, one round now? So that bike is competitive. I mean, that Ducati looks like it's going to be come in and at least maybe not championship level, maybe not, going number one on the podium every single round, but it's going to be a competitive bike. It's going to be something that they're throwing money at, and it's going to be developed, and, it's going to be the ride that I'm assuming a lot of people want. It's a big company, lots of money to throw around, and they're not going to want to come in here with how well they do in every other facet of racing and be bad. So if you're a guy, you're looking for a good ride, a factory ride, it's going to be the TLD Ducati, like it's going to be a big money seat. And it sounds like at the moment, at least, that Justin Barcia has one. I mean, he's stuck around in the rumor mills for a very long time. His name has not dropped off, so more than likely we're going to see Justin Barcia on at least one of these rides. And Brandis to me is new. I mean, I've seen who knows how many people have been attached to this team and this bike now, but he's the new one, and who knows? It might be a thing. I guess we have to really wait and see till paperwork signed. There's a release coming out, but like you said, he's been here for 9 years. He's kind of at the end of his twilight years of his career. Did really well in the 250s. 450s have really not kind of worked out for him the same way. Who knows whether he gets on this ride and it's life-changing. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. It's transformative, and he starts competing for podiums and wins, and who knows? I mean, that bike could just be an absolute monster. From everything I've seen about it, it's going to have more power than everybody else, but it's going to be one of those things. I mean, if it's really good, it's going to be really good, or if it's bad, it's going to go really bad. Who knows? But this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Should he get that ride? Do you think he's going to get that ride? Would you like to see somebody else on it? Roxon or Anderson or whoever else. There's a bunch of people. Tomac, there's Sexton. How many people are free this year? That's what I'm leaving it to you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Who do you want to see on Ducati? Who do you think is going where? Whatever it is. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.